Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today I wanted to talk about risk champions. Do companies need risk champions? And this is a very interesting question because in the past, when we were talking about traditional risk management one-type activities, we really did need some help because there was a lot of effort associated with risk identification, risk assessment, risk mitigation plans, and that had to be quarterly refreshed. So there was a lot of effort spent on activities. Well, now that we are moving towards risk management 2, and risk management 2 is not about periodic risk review per se. Risk management 2 is about integrating into the actual decision making and doing different types of risk assessments before a particularly important decision takes place. So there's less, or maybe there's no ongoing, recurring activity to update risk registers because risk registers don't exist. Risk reports don't exist per se in the risk management 2 world. So do we still need risk champions? I wonder, and I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Do write underneath this video because I think this is what risk management 2 is all about. It's about challenging every single traditional concept to see just how useful is it really. And my personal opinion is that no, we don't need risk champions. We do need influencers and people who are really good friends with the risk manager because we need to have access to data. But that's not an official title. That's just having a good network of friends around the company, which don't actually have to do anything. They just have to keep the risk manager up to date what's going on in their departments. Do companies need risk owners, formal risk owners who have duties documented in position descriptions or in some sort of policy? Do share your thoughts underneath this video. For now, thank you. Bye.